Tired of dashboards that feel like information overload? Let's transform them into user-friendly, interactive experiences by adding filter drop-down menus in Tableau. Alright, let's dive right in first. Open Tableau and connect to your data source. I'm using the sample Superstore data for this example. Now, in the data pane, find the dimension you want to use as a filter for our example. Let's use category. Drag the category dimension from the dimensions pane to the filters shelf. A filter dialog box will pop up here. You can choose which categories you want to include in your filter. Leave them all checked for now and click OK. Notice the category pill on the filters shelf. Right-click on that category pill and select Show Filter. Damn, the category filter now appears on the right side of your worksheet. But wait, there's more. Click on the little drop-down arrow at the top right corner of the filter here. You'll see different filter types. Select single value drop-down. This transforms our filter into a neat and compact drop-down menu. And that's it. You've successfully added a filter drop-down in Tableau. Now you can repeat these steps with other dimensions to give your users even more control over the data they explore. Happy analyzing.